I'm on my way to the mall because we're going out to, see some stuff and stuff like that. So, yeah. Right now I'm in the bus off to the train, and yeah, when I get to the train, I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so I'm in the train now, and yeah, on my way, I think I have how many stations? I'll show you guys about 7, 8 stations to go. So yeah, got a while. Yeah, stay tuned. I'm at the mall, and yeah, I'm walking there now. I'll see you guys when I get to the bowling place, because that's where I'm going right now. So yeah guys, I'll also show you the mall, so stay tuned. Yeah, basically that. guys, now it's time to eat. So we're going to eat now. So yeah, stay tuned. Tune in. I'm trying to decide what burger I'm gonna have. I'm thinking of having the superstar. Like, and there's this couple sitting beside us, and then like the girl, she, I don't know, is it because the chips, I can't say they're burnt, or maybe she just doesn't like how they are. She's literally like throwing them out into the guy's plate, like talking like that. So it's so funny. Like, these burgers are nice. I wish I could eat a lot. I would even eat a second burger. Burger. Look at that. You can take a bite.
The next day.
Hi guys. So today I am going for go-karts. So yeah. I'll take you guys through with me and hope you guys enjoy my lushes. And guys, this thing is irritating me so much. Like, I need to get rid of it quick, fast. But and guys, I need to eat. I got my food in here. So yeah. Let me just show you guys what the place looks like, and then yeah. But there's no deal here. I'm getting on the stairs. it seems like other people are actually doing it regardless of the water. But I'm like, do I want to do that? I don't want to get wet. So I'm like, I am not doing it. Like, I don't want to get wet. So what's the point of doing it? We're at the till. So I'm getting ready and I have my balaclava and my gloves. So yeah, I'll show you when I'm about to start. Stay tuned, guys. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna be able to like show you guys entirely like the entire time when I'm on the track because I don't really have anyone to take the video for me. So. Guys, I was number 8 and yeah, that exciting. So yeah, now we're about to go look for something to eat. So stay tuned, guys, and yeah. Guys, so this is the end of the vlog because I don't think there's anything else we should be filming. So yeah, I'll catch you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Apparently there's a cop like the one there and they want to pause. Okay, wait guys.